Hey guys, today we're looking at our remote control cars. Can you please look down there? So this is mine and this is Liam's bad boy here.
Oh wow. What's this one?
And I'm gonna make a video of us playing with them. I got tons of videos with remote control cars, but they broke. And so I got these new ones.
What's this car about?
I'm a McLaren.
Wow. Where'd you get it?
I got from the car show.
You went to the car show yesterday?
Yeah.
What'd you see?
Saw a lot of cars and fun stuff.
Cool.
And
So let's get the remote control car and let's take a look.
And make sure you hit that subscribe button.
What's that again?
Make sure you smash that subscribe button.
Oh, right. Where's your remote control?
Okay, so here's mine. Liam's controlling his.
Wow. What kind of car does Liam have?
He has I don't know most Lambo cars, but he's driving it around.
Hey, Liam, do you want to come tell us about your car?
Just to tell you, my car doesn't work really good.
Why not?
I don't know what's wrong.
Hey, Liam Vlog. How's it going?
Good.
Haven't seen you in a while out here. Where you been?
On vacation.
True. Okay, so tell us about this Lambo here you got.
It's a Lambo's one of the fastest Lambos. It can Lamborghini Performante.
Nice. Let's see how fast it can go.
And let me just get this bad boy set up.
Logan, where's your remote? Go get it.
It doesn't work good.
Yeah, go get it. We'll see.
It doesn't work
Nice car, bro. It's pretty cute and pretty fast. Your batteries are dying there, maybe? There you go. Show us how it works there, Loggies way. Wow! That's
good.
awesome.
It doesn't work really good.
Try to make it work again. I think you need new batteries. Is it the batteries are dying or something, right? That's okay. At least we get to see it run. Wow. Nice. What?
So make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Okay. See you later, right?
Yeah, bye.